part of this MMX Day. You may well be thinking, what is MMX? Why are we here? Of course, it's to celebrate with some nice food and some tea and coffee, right?
Yep.
Context, Andrea is one of the most successful GT1 drivers ever, winning 4 world championships with Maserati in the MC12. Andrea is now part of the development team of the MC20. So Andrea, what does Maserati mean to you?
Well, James, for me Maserati represents a family. As an Italian driver from Modena, it is a unique feeling to represent Maserati all over the world.
Fantastic. Well, I can tell you, if this car has just 10% of this man's driving DNA in it, it's going to be fantastic. So tonight, I'm honoured to introduce.
It is my honor and privilege to be here in this moment and share the stage with part of the Maserati team. They are the creators, the builders that together shape the future of the Maserati brand.